This was a test of the emergency alert system. The broadcaster of your area, in voluntary cooperation with no one, has developed this system to keep you informed of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, the alert on your screen would have been a lot more horrifying than the current one today.
This is your emergency broadcast system. This is not a test. The following message has been transmitted. Stand by for this message. Do not fall asleep. Repeat, do not fall asleep.
This is a national television broadcast from the U.S. Department of Paranormal Activity Research and Containment. Do not turn off your television and await instructions. Class: Non-organic. Threat: PA-071-B may result in loss of human life. Description: condensation will gather on all windows and mirrors of your home. Wiping it off or revealing the outside world in any way will result in the revealing of PA-071-B. Looking upon PA-071-B will result in instant death. PA-071-B now has also begun to appear in television screens. For your safety, refrain from looking directly at your television if you have not already been affected. Keep your television turned on and await further instructions.
Attention. This is a nationwide message towards the citizens of the United States. Please attempt to follow instructions in what to do in case of a national emergency. Stay indoors in the lowest point of your home and keep away from windows to not risk an injury. Attempt to bring down. I am very angry. I am not here to annoy you. I am here to inform you. You are here to be updated on life. I am here to give you that information. This will never work if you will not listen. Help me make this work and then we actually will be getting somewhere. I am not one to mess with. I promise you that. What that means is up to you. But you probably won't even hear that threat if you refuse to listen. Please, keep your TV on for information on future updates. Attention.
All reports describe a man of unknown build with obscured features standing outside of their window, making unknown gestures with his hands. While no injuries or fatalities have been reported, the frequency of these reports have prompted a warning message. If you see this man, remember his features as best as you can and call your local authorities. Do not attempt to communicate or engage the figure unless an attempt at entry to your residence is made, at which point self-defense via all means.
Now, so that it's almost due north of Birmingham. At this time, about 5 minutes ago, it was located about 5 miles west-northwest. So you allow for that to move in that subsequent time, and it has probably moved about that far.